House Committee on Justice Chairman Jervil Luistro denied the claims.
I can speak only for myself, no? And I vehemently deny that statement of Congressman Pulong Duterte. Wala po akong na-experience na tumawag sa akin to employ influence on me, either as a member or as a chairperson of the Justice Committee. As a matter of fact, Manong Ted, gusto ko i-share. Kahapon, actually, marami akong nare-receive na text at tawag from members of the Justice Committee who are abroad. No? Nakikiusap sila na makaboto online.
The identity of Charisse remains unconfirmed. However, House Deputy Speaker and Bacolod Representative Albi Benitez suggested that the remark may have been directed at presidential son and House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos. Benitez also strongly denied allegations of pressure on lawmakers.
I think it speaks for itself, di ba? Kapatid niya yun. Paano mag-allocate? Nasagaan na. The only way na pwede palitan yan is through Congress ulit. Di ba? So paano nila sasabihin na dinagdagan o binawasan? Diba?
He also dismissed reports of additional allowances.
Well, ngayon ko lang naririnig yan. Sa akin, actually, wala. Wala akong natanggap. Wala akong narinig.
Meanwhile, Akbayan Party List Representative Percy Sandanya warned that such claims could be a part of black propaganda.
So itong ganitong mga balita ay paninira at siguro isa rin itong threat para gamitin later on doon sa mga boboto for the impeachment. So, inaasahan natin yung itong black propaganda, pero sa dulo kasi hindi ito panahon para matakot yung members of the House. Kinakailangan manindigan sila.
Meanwhile, Luistro says the House is still preparing for the possible trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. In a radio interview, she bared a short list of congressmen who will make up the House prosecution team. Luistro mentioned holdovers from the previous team, like Representatives Joel Chua, Isabel Maria Zamora, Keith Flores, and Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez. New members could include Representatives Laila de Lima, Chel Jokno, Terry Redon, and Lordan Suwan. Luistro herself was part of the prosecution team in VP Sara's first impeachment.